All right, next up we have, excuse me, we have what we call him Hero, brother to Harley, and he is almost an identical twin. About the only difference is he's ever so slightly larger, maybe a few ounces larger, and he also is a lot more. His personality is a little different. He's a lot more. Not as timid, so he loves to meet new people. He's very relaxed here, and he's very social. Loves to meet new people, like I said, and explore and figure things out. He does bark a little bit more, so this Hero is a perfect fit for a family that's active. Household that's active and has children that can, play with him a lot, socialize with him a lot. He will definitely want to have lots of time to run off his energy and stuff. He's, I estimate him between 12 and 14 pounds again, and I expect him to be roughly 18 pounds, anywhere from 17 to 18 pounds as an adult. So there you go. His coat, again, is very similar to Hero. He does have slightly more pronounced brown tips, especially on his face. So there you go. We did just give him a nice grooming. So he has a summer coat cut, warm weather cut, and so there. Hopefully you can see that okay. Yay, good boy. So he's super sweet, good puppy for family that can bond with him and socialize as well. So thanks for watching.